What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great on this Wednesday afternoon. Welcome to the Crypto Wolfpack Show. Uh, so, let's quickly look at the bubble of the day, like we always do. And today, Leo is basically the bubble of the day. I went to the charts, and there is, I'm not quite sure what's happening on Leo, but we had one massive spike here. And I don't know if that spike is for real or just full of shit, but that's a 118% spike if that is actually the real spike. If the price actually did go to all the way to 1267. But let's look if it's on the other exchanges as well. It might just be on the OKX. Mexi, I didn't really like the charts on Mexi. Bitfinex. Let's just yeah, let's try Bitfinex. See how the chart looks there. And on Bitfinex, okay, different story. So not quite sure what's going on there, but nonetheless, it's the bubble of the day, Leo. If we go to Bitcoin and we go to the weekly, and unfortunately, we still red for the week. Uh, I'm think I think that we will probably finish the week in red. There's no question about it. At this current stage, we probably will finish the week in red, and we're still in this little box like I predicted that we will be in, and we'll probably be in this sideways consolidation for quite some time if we don't go and take out the order block that is in here at the bottom. If we can go back to this chart here at 58,000, there is quite a huge liquidation order block. So we'll have to see if I'm going to take that out. And we're still in the short. Haven't closed our short yet. It is every time I think it's about to drop, it gets bought back up. So we'll leave it and just see how it plays out. But we did break out of this triangle pattern, and we did break the bottom. So we'll just track it. I'm guessing that we'll probably be going sideways, not doing too much until tomorrow's news events. We've got quite a few news events tomorrow. So guessing the markets will only start to wake up tomorrow, and then we'll have to see if we get the volatility to the upside or the downside. So let's quickly go to our other trades. And BDX is flying. We fly past our target 1, and we basically almost at our target number 2. Target number 3 is up there, so very happy with this trade. So far we are up 26% on this trade. Then the other one we currently still in and starting to gain some steam as well is Tron TRX. Currently nothing too major, but 5% nonetheless, and doing well so far. If we can go, let's quickly run through our other setups. And oh, look at this. Remember yesterday I said we will probably get a bounce from this area, and then we'll see what it does now. So at the bottom there would have not been a bad entry with a stop behind this order block over here, volume node over here. But I wasn't in front of the charts, so didn't catch that one. Nonetheless, we'll have to see what it does here and see what the lower time frame is doing. I don't like it when something does this. Something breaks out and breaks back into the pattern very aggressive. I don't like that, because that tells me they're going to get a lot of people excited for the break. People will jump in and they'll just bring it back down. So be careful when something does this. Don't like it, but we'll still keep an eye on it. Then let's quickly run through this. We're still busy with its pullback. TIA, nothing much changed there. BNB, nothing much changed there. Monero, still waiting for this to show its hand. Not much there. ARK will probably go back down to the bottom there, like I said we would. And AGIA also still starting to form its 4-hour correction. With we actually broke that down. So unfortunately, this didn't play out like we wanted. We can take off this. And we lost a lot of key areas, which is not always a good sign. So this is currently what we're busy in. So we might come back down there, and this looks like we might continue back down again into the bigger pattern over here. And it would be horrible if we come back into this area, because most of the time it will probably just gain momentum and will go back down to this level over there, which is not a good sign. Like I said, guys, the chart paints a picture, and at this stage it's not painting a very good picture. If I have a, if I look at most charts in the crypto market, at most um, most of your bigger altcoins, your blue chips, it's not looking good, guys. Like I said, I'll be very surprised if we get our October, but I don't think we're going to get our October. But we'll have to see. Say this one, actually not starting to look interesting. If we go to, like we were tracking this one, but we still, we've got a top area, and we've got basically a bottom area of this diagonal correction that we're in. So let's see what it does. It will probably come back down to this area, and then let's see what we get down here. Maybe we can get like a short-term entry back to the top, which might not be a bad trade. If we let's map it out and see if it will be worth a while. It's always a good idea to map out a trade that you're looking at, in future, just to see if it's worthwhile. And risk to reward is not worthwhile. So the other question I want to ask you: do you really think we will break with just one touch? Definitely not. So I'm guessing we will not break this level. We'll probably come back down, retest it, then come back down, then only go and maybe break out of here. So not really worth the trade. So we'll just keep on tracking it, and at some point we'll, once it goes back up, comes back down, then we can look for a trade to trade it to the upside. Then Brett, not doing much. AR, not doing much. So pretty quiet in the markets, guys. I just thought I'd quickly jump in and give you, give you an update on where we are at things. And Bitcoin is starting to push up a little bit, but we might just come back down and retest this little zone over here. This was the one I'm looking for. Maybe come retest this zone and then go back down again. So let's just see what it does, but I won't get too excited for this. So that's basically it in a nutshell, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow again. Have a good one, my friends. Cheers for now. Guys, before I go, please do me a favor. If you like what I put out, if you like the alpha, if you like my technical analysis, just give me a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. Once I've grown this channel to maybe say like 100 subscribers, I will start live streaming, but I'm not going to live stream for like 1 or 2 guys. It's not worth my while. So as soon as we hit that 100 mark, I'll probably do some live stream and some live trading as well now and then. So that's it for me, guys. Cheers. Have a good one.